Good, cool. Hi, this is going to be a very casual video. I'm actually recording in my underwear, so that's how casual it is. Also, it's not monetized, so that means I can play any song I want. So we're going to play some Bill Withers because RIP. The last few videos have been doing very, very well, and I put a lot of time and effort into it, and hopefully it shows. You guys seem to really like them, and it's been very receptive. YouTube has finally pushed me back into the algorithm. So I'm actually going to do the opposite of what I should do, and I'm going to upload less frequently. My most recent videos, which I've enjoyed making the most, by the way, have taken a lot of time and preparation, and they're just very long videos, anywhere from 14 to almost 20 minutes. If I was doing YouTube full time, I think making one video a week would probably be plausible, but because I'm also a full-time student and I'm probably going to be working over the summer while taking classes, it's not very feasible. For instance, this past weekend, I built an entire computer and I recorded the entire process and I edited the entire video in like 2.5, 3 days. It's probably one of the most stressful weekends of my life. It makes it pretty difficult to interact and build a community when I'm just working on videos all the time. One of the cool perks about being a creator is that you have a community of people who are interested in the same things you are. You can hang out with them, chat with them. I haven't been able to do that over the last maybe like 5-6 days, if you exclude Twitch streams. This might seem counterintuitive, and honestly, I don't know. It might be. It's going to be a very big trust exercise, but I realized that missing out on certain times, like hanging out with my family, hanging out with friends, just making sure that my well-being is good and not sacrificing things like sleep, is a priority for me. And at the moment, YouTube is really just a part-time gig / hobby that I enjoy, and I don't want to burn myself out. I think that's it for this video. Honestly, that's all the update that there is. Hopefully you guys understand, and hopefully YouTube is kind enough where it's not gonna completely push me out of the algorithm, but if it does, then that's just what it is. I'd rather have little views while building a community and having fun while making videos than have a ton of views but be completely miserable and not look forward to it. Starting by the end of April-ish, it's probably going to be a video every 2 weeks. That's it. Hopefully you guys are having a fun quarantine. I'm gonna get back to studying, finishing my taxes. Yeah, I have so much stuff to do this week. Oh my gosh. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.